What's up you guys, it's your boy Yab back with a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Pikachu voice as well as other celebrity voices on your Google Home Mini, normal Google Home and Google Home Max in the United Kingdom and other countries. Right now, these voices are only available in the United States. However, there is a way to circumvent this that I have found to get those fun, different and even playful voices on your Google Home. If I demonstrate right now, I'll just say, "Hey Google, let me talk to Pikachu."
Sorry, Pikachu isn't supported in this region.
Like I said earlier, it only works in the United States. However, I'll be showing you how to get it outside of the United States, so let's just get right into it. So guys, I'm on the phone now, and as you can see, I'm in the Google Home app and I've already joined the household and everything, and we've got the living room speaker right here. And now if we go into settings and we go into home information, this is obviously not my real address because I didn't want to dox myself. This is just something I got from fake UK generator. I just searched it up and came up. But we're going to use the same thing, but instead of doing UK address, we're going to do a American address. So go into Chrome and just search up US address generator, and then what you want to do is copy the street, at least the street. Then you're going to go into home, click remove on your current address. You can always add it back later. Click add home address, and when it loads up, you're going to want to change the United Kingdom or whatever country you're in to the United States. And then in address line 1, you're going to want to paste in the thing we added earlier. Click that in, it's all going to autofill the rest of it, and click next. It's going to load up, and as you can see, the Google Home app and the Google Home Mini that I have thinks that we're in Trenton, Mississippi or something similar in the United States. So let me get back to the other camera angle to show you that it actually works. Alright guys, so I'm back and I've got the Google Home Mini in front of me, and something I just realized was that you can actually change your address with your voice. Just ask Google to do it and it should work. I did it through the app, you can do it with your voice. Either way, we'll get Pikachu talking. So, let's test it out. Hey Google, let me talk to Pikachu.
Let's get Pikachu.
Pikachu!
Alright, so Pikachu has a couple of prompts, and some of them are, "Hey Pikachu, sing happy birthday." So yeah, Pikachu can sing happy birthday. Hey Pikachu, use Thunderbolt. So you can also say, "Hey Pikachu, say pizza 10 times.
Pika, 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 pika.
Hey Pikachu, tell me a story." If you've had enough of Pikachu, then all you have to do is stay silent for a while. The Google Home Assistant will come up and it will say, if you stay silent for a bit longer, then Pikachu will leave. So I'm just going to time lapse this quickly. So you've just left Pikachu mode, and if I just ask Google, "Hey Google, what's the time?"
It's 1 p.m.
It will revert back to normal Google Home mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to click subscribe and hit that notification bell to know whenever I upload. And if you've really liked this video, then make sure to hit that like button, and if you disliked it, make sure to hit that dislike button. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Ab, signing out.